Hello students, last video we completed the problems exercise 2, 5 problems. In this video I'm going to explain about the remaining problems. Coming to the sixth problem, if A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3/7 AB and P lies on the segment AB. Once observe the problem carefully. This is A and this is B, AB. AB is a line here. Once observe the figure, A and B are 2 points, -2, -2 and 2, -4. This is the line. Find the coordinates of P. So this is P. P is a point on the line, but here ratio not given, but the relation between the lengths AP and AB has given. Once observe that AP equal to 3/7 AB. So look at here once. AP, this is a point P and AP by AB. AB is the total line and AB is the part of a line. Okay, and P lies on the segment AB. So this is the problem. A and B point has given. P is a point on the line and AP length has given, that is the, and AB length also given. Then we need to find out the ratio, and then after we need to find out the coordinates of P. So given points are A and B, form a line, and here given that AP by PB equal to 3/7. So AP equal to, if you compare the numerator, AP equal to 3, that is why I written here AP equal to 3. AB equal to 7, total length AB, line length equal to AB equal to 7. So take the relation AB equal to, so AP plus PB. AB equal to total length, AB equal to part of the length AP plus and part of the length PB. AP equal to AB equal to AP plus PB. This is the relation. And what is AB here? AB length total 7. AB is 7 and AP is 3. Then we find out the value of PB, that is 4. So PB equal to 4. Now what is the ratio? P divides AB in the ratio of 3:4. Now we have the ratio 3:4 and the coordinates are also there. Then you can easily find out the P coordinates by using the section formula. Okay, so once listen to the video section formula, and you need to substitute the values x1, x2, y1, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, and m is to n is 3:4. Then you can get the answer. That is the hint of the sixth problem. Coming to the seventh one, find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining A -4, 0, B 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment. This is the line segment A and B. You need AB is a line. You need to do 4 parts, 4 equal parts. How to do that? Once check. Hint. AB is a line. 4 parts in the sense, if you find out the midpoint here, if you cut here, it divided into 2 parts. 1, 2, 2 parts. Again, if you cut here, then it divided into 1, 2 and 3 parts. Again, if you cut here, then it is 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 4 equal parts. Cut here in the sense, first AB is a line. Find the midpoint of AB, AB midpoint. If you find out the midpoint of AB, that is P. When you find the midpoint of AB, the line divided into 2 parts. Then after, find the midpoint of AP. After finding the value of P, find the midpoint of A and P. Then this is equal to R. That is equal to R. Now, the line divided into three parts, 1, 2 and 3. Next, find the midpoint of PB, that is here, that is Q. Okay, so then the line divided into 4 equal parts. Then you can easily find out that, apply the midpoint formula, then you can find out the 3 points and you can divide the line into 4 equal parts. And this 8th problem also, same model. Coming to the 9th one, find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining the points A plus B, comma A minus B and A minus B, comma A plus B in the ratio of 3:2 internally. That means these two are the coordinates and ratio also has given. Apply the section formula A plus B, x1, y1, x2, y2 and mstn. So here and substitute the values in the given formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here what is m? 3 substituted. x2 is a minus b, this is a minus b plus as usual. Next n2, x1 is a plus b, so that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, that is 3 plus 2. And same can apply the substitute the values here, my2 3 into a plus b plus ny1 2 into a plus a minus b m plus n. Next multiply 3 into a 3a plus into minus 3 into b minus 3b plus 2 into a 2a plus into plus 2 into b 2b by 5. Next multiply here also 3 into a 3a 3 into b 3b 2 into a 2a and plus into minus 2b, so by 5. I written the same step here, previous step. And next one 3a, add the like terms 3a plus 2a, that is 5a and minus 3b plus 2b minus b. Next 3a plus 2a 5a and 3b minus 2b plus b. This is the required coordinate. 5a minus b by 5 comma 5a plus b by 5. So practice it, because if it is the variables, when the variables are there in the problem, little bit confusion is there. No need to worry about that. You can practice. It is very easy. Next one, centroid problem. 3 problems are there in the centroid. Already I explained about the centroid. I created a separate video about the centroid. So that is the direct problem. You can do that after listening to that video. Next, some homeworks has given for you. This is in which coordinate the point P that divide the line segment joining the points A minus 2 comma minus 5 and B 5 comma 2 in the ratio of 2:1 lies. That means you need to find out the coordinate and where that coordinate lies, in which quadrant it lies. You need to write down that. And next one, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are. Okay, so do the problems from 6th to 10th and including this homework also. And next one, general info. From 0 to 100,000, from 0 to 1000, the only number that has a letter A in it is 1000. If you are writing the spellings from 0 to 1000, 999, there is no A alphabet in the given numbers except 100. So 100 is only the number which has the alphabet A. And next one, if you multiply these two numbers, you can get this answer. Once observe this answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sequential number. If you multiply these ones, you can get this answer. After 9, again 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is general info. And then in the next video, I am going to explain about the area of the triangle, formula and explanation with example problem. So listen to this video and listen to the previous videos also, section formula and centroid formula once again, and you can do the problems here. Thank you, students.